looked at tidal pools, we went to 2 different places on Catalina Island. We went near the intake pipes, which is right on the USC campus where we were staying, and we also went to 2 harbors, which was about a 10-minute drive by van. In both places, we had to wait for the tide to go down far enough, so that was around 4:30 p.m. And I guess the researchers told us that sometimes to do their research properly, they had to get up at 4:30 in the morning and do it as well, because it comes every 12 hours. When we got to the tidal pools, we split into groups, and the researchers spread out a measuring line near the top of where we were putting all our materials, and they split it into 5-meter sections. So each group had 5 meters. So the first 0 to 5 meters, second group was 5 to 10 meters, 10 to 15, etc. And in each of those sections, we spent the first 20 minutes looking for starfish and abalone, both of which have been farmed, is maybe the best word to say it. They've been taken by people who want to eat them, and so there's not a lot to find anymore. And so we did not find any, but we were supposed to look for it. And a lot of them hide in cracks, especially the starfish, so we had to look in every nook and cranny of our 5-meter area. And that was from high tide all the way down into the water. Once we did that, we took what's called a quadrat, and it's a PVC pipe square with boondoggle to make a grid of 25. And when we did that grid, we used that to count the number of organisms within each area.
For each quadrat, there were 25 little squares, and we were supposed to look for mussels, limpets, and barnacles separately. So we counted those individually and not by how many were in each square. And then we also had to count pink acorns, olive and regular rockweed, and barnacles, and we had to count those by the squares because they were so populated in those little areas. Cool things we found was an octopus and a sea hare. What a sea hare is, it's like a big slug, except we had like a baby sea hare, and it was pretty big, decent size, and it was just sleeping on the rock, and we weren't allowed to touch it because they're easily crushed.